Here I go on solving my third main. Answer the following questions. Solve the 2x plus y is equal to double x plus y is equal to x. Just change the sign. Like this we have to get cancel rate of any one of the value. So that when I change this sign by the substitution method, so that it gets y and y gets cancelled. Y and y get cancelled. Level minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 minus x is equal to value of 3. Then substitute any one of the value in equation. X plus y is equal to 8. I'll substitute 3 plus y is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 5. In this what we have to get? Only just we have to get value of x is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 5. Find the sum of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus the sum of 10 terms using the formula. You wanted to find the sum of 10 terms. Then what we have to find? Yes, 10th term. Yes, 10th term. So what is formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then we want S10, then n by 2, then 2, 5, they given 5 plus 8 plus 11. So the 8th term is 5. 5 plus 9 into 3, difference is 3. Then 5 into 2 5 is 10 plus 3 9 is 27. Then S10 is equal to 185. Then find 19th. Find the value of k if the pair of linear equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 2 into k minus 4 into x minus ky is equal to k plus 4 are constituent. In this equation we have that is 19th question 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Then 2 into k minus 4 into x k minus y is equal to k plus 3. In this equation we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 or a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Here a1 is equal to 2. Here a1 is equal to 2 into k minus 4. Here before x what are the terms are there? That is a2. Then equal to b1 is 3 and b2 is equal to minus k minus 3 minus k. Even signs are included. And then 2 k is equal to 3 into k minus 4. In here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then k is equal to 3 k minus 4. Then multiply k 3k minus 12. Then 12 is equal to 2k. K is equal to 12 by 2 which is 6. K is equal to 6. We have got the value of k. We have a 20th question. Find the discriminant equation. Find the discriminant equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 and hence write the nature of roots. We have to write what type of roots, whether it is discriminant. Discriminant means which is the value should be greater than 0. And then this is called as discriminant. When the value is less than 0, then it is called as non-discriminant. Now we will find out. 20th question. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to find out. Now a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 3. Discriminate formula b square minus 4ac. We have to substitute the value minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 3. Then we have 25 minus 24. Then d is 1. Which d is greater than 0. Then the roots are real. And discriminant. Now we have here 21st question. If 1 0 of polynomial, is p of x is equal to x square minus 6x, 6x plus k is twice another, find the value of k. Here we have to go by the division of the polynomial. 21st question. Sorry. Here is my 21st question. If 1 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus k is twice than other, find the value of k. we have to find the sum of the roots of the equation, then sum of the products of the equation to find the value of k. Here we have 21st question. X square minus 6x plus k. They have said has to find sum of the equation. Let alpha and beta be the zeros of p of x, and according to the condition, beta is equal to 2 alpha. Then sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots. Then the formula is minus b by a. Then alpha, then beta is 2 times the alpha is equal to minus of minus 6 by 1. Then 3 alpha is equal to plus 6 by plus 6. Then alpha is equal to 2. Then next we want beta, that is product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is equal to alpha into beta is c by a. Then alpha into 2 alpha is equal to k by 1. Then 2 alpha square equal to k. Then alpha we have got 2. 2 into 2 square by k is equal to then k. Then k is equal to answer 8. Then 8k. Got the answer as 8k. Next we have an OR question. Find the polynomial of the least degree, and that should be subtracted from p of x cube. P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4, so that it is exactly divisible by g of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1. This it is in division form divisible. Then we have to divide g of x by p of x. Here x square minus 3x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Here first we have to to get the first term to be cancelled. What if we multiply by x square to get x cube? So that we will multiply x here to get x. X square into x is x cube. So that we will write x square x. So that we will get x cube minus 3 into 3x square. 3x into x square minus 3x square plus 1 into x is x. Then change the sign. Minus plus minus. Then x cube gets cancelled. Then minus 3 x square plus 2x plus 4. Then we want x square plus 1, x square plus 1 plus x square into 1 is x square minus 3 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3x plus 1. Then we'll change the sign, minus plus minus, then we'll get 5x plus 3. Then we have to add 5x plus 3 should be subtracted from p of x, so that it is completely divisible by g of x. Then we will get completely, when it is divisible we will be getting the remainder as 0. When it is not divisible we are getting this answer. Then we have to minus g of x, so that it will get this value. Then we have 22nd question. Find the distance between the point minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. We have to use here distance formula. 22 distance for minus 5, 7 and 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. Distance formula. Yes, point E B. Distance of AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then root of minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 the whole square. Then we have root of minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus minus of 4 whole square. Then root of 4 square plus 4 square. Then root of 16 plus 16. We have root of 32. That is 4 root 2 centimeter or 4 root 2 units. Here the units are mainly main. Next we have 22nd, that is our question. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line joining the point 1, 6 and 4, 3 in the ratio of 1:2. Then we have to find the midpoint, that is midpoint formula. In the first point we have written the midpoint formula. Now we have given a problem based on that formula. Then we have a is equal to 1, 6, b is equal to 4, 3. Then midpoint m is to n is equal to 1:2. Then p of x comma y is equal to m of x2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m of y2 plus n of y1 by m plus n. Then we substitute the value 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1, that is 1 plus 2. Then we have y, m is 1, then y2 has 3 plus 2 into 6, then 1 plus 2 m plus n. Then we have 4 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 plus 12 by 3. Then we have 2, 5. This is value.